Two companies which operate in Jamaica are some of the latest victims of cyber attacks. Data from Courts and Pricesmart are currently exposed on the dark web. Javon Keys reports.
Courts, a member of the Unicommer Group, is one of the latest companies to be plagued by cyber criminals. The company confirmed it experienced a data leak which affected its Caribbean operations. In a release, it said only customers who used its e-commerce platform were affected. Gavin Dennis is a cybersecurity expert.
In the first report that related to the Shop Courts website, there is a website online that's selling the data that was stolen, and they are providing a sample of the data to potential buyers and the full set of data to people who sign up for membership with the website. It's a website that's what they specialize in. They sell data that has been dumped from various security compromises. And so it's now being sold. Up to 200,000 records, according to them, is being sold.
Court said since September, it moved to a new e-commerce platform which has not been affected. It also sought to assure that no payment data nor passwords were exposed. Membership superstore Pricesmart appears to also have been affected by another type of cyber attack, ransomware.
The hacker group that also compromised another entity locally that's publicly traded, they've claimed that they have hacked the company, Pricesmart. They haven't yet provided the sample of the specific pieces of data that they've taken, but their claim is that they've compromised up to 500 gigabytes of data, which includes data on customers and employees.
We're told it's the same group that also affected the operations at a publicly traded firm. Earlier this year, Diamond Trading reported a data breach. With the evolving cyberspace, these threats have become more and more common, so businesses have to become more equipped by getting professional help.
Professionals will now, or should, be able to give those companies a very good roadmap of what they should be doing. So helping them to analyze their gaps, to know where their weaknesses are, helping them to understand what it is that they need to do to fill these gaps so they can get to a point of being considered as secure. And then from a personal perspective for the individuals, the best thing they can do now is to try and hold these businesses accountable that they are giving their personal data to. Because one of the things that's common now is companies, they get hacked, the personal data gets dumped, and then everyone just talks about it for like a day, and then they just move on.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.